This is a demonstration of try it for free of a VAPI AI. So I'm going to put a file together that is called VAPI AI.
Typing something or what?
In a folder that will be called VAPI AI. VAPI.ai. Try for free. Try for free. And the video file name is going to be my video. And I'm going to also turn on the SAR problem step recorder. I don't know if I can enter, I'm not going to use Loom because it doesn't work here. Maybe you can help me get it to work and I once and for all get the Loom. I don't think so.
I have Loom working, I think, on this computer.
Let me do this Pixar. So I want to start recording from Pixar. Okay. So I'm selecting try it for free. Did you select try it for free?
Yeah.
Okay, so try it for free. Okay.
You have to make an account. You have to sign into your account, so you have to.
So it say email,
No, sign up for an account.
sign in,
No,
sign up.
no, sign up.
Okay. SKI. Okay, sign. Kawinda Kramer.
Okay, so you have to put your email. Okay.
Email. Okay.
So which email do you want to use?
You Dr. S. Rush. I'm using Dr. A. Rush.
Use Dr. Construction Gmail.
Fine.
And what are you going to use for your
Oh, it
password?
gave me a password. It says Google password creates a strong password for this. Choose your own. Fine, okay.
Okay, so
The same one.
say
Yes. Okay, no, just. Oh, you don't. So I didn't even. Please, trash me not, please. I said just oh, okay? Did you understand? Oh, don't buy my cup so much that I cannot work and you totally disorient me and disrupt me, okay?
sign.
Please spare me, sir.
Did you put in the
I cannot
password?
sign up failed. The password should be, so they give you the requirement. You should see what the requirements are. Then they don't let it stay. At least 10 characters. Password should contain.
Yeah, typically it's been breached, my password. I can't use it.
Contain one character of each, lowercase, uppercase.
Yeah. Here it says password must be at least 8 characters.
Uppercase.
No, here it says password must be at least 8 characters. So let's use the on dash trial 6. Did you hear me? What did I say?
Just have special characters, right?
Right.
Fine. So I put special character, and that will make it 8. Right? Let's see if that will work. Just stop, Sarah. Ceasefire. I'm not talking to you for a while. Sign up failed. Failed to fetch.
See, capital O and dash trial 6. Okay, I'm using sign up. Okay, did you hear me?
Password should
Sign
be
in
at
failed
least
to
10
fetch.
characters, it says.
Do 6 6s.
Sign up successful. Okay. Just a second. Don't interrupt me. You don't stop, and I cannot handle you, please, sir. On the numbers here.
Share your password with me.
So it has to be 10 characters.
Okay, and what did you use? Use a dash
I used the dash, yes.
and 2 6s.
Yes.
That's what I used.
Fine, and it didn't accept it. Now it says at least 8 characters.
It says to. Do you want me to save it under the Google password?
I would save it, yes, in case you don't know what you're doing there exactly.
Okay. Did you sign up? Email is a required field. Password must be at least 2 characters. Why doesn't it now go?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Go.
7, 8.
Next. Go. Oh no. Email is a required field. I have my email.
Email is a required field.
Sign up with. They want not accepting.
It didn't accept you? What if you do with Google? So use Google, choose an account.
Which account are you choosing?
That will work. Dr. ARush, I choose.
Oh, enter an email and create. Enter an email and create a password. Getting started is easy. So you're using Google instead? Huh?
I'm trying to use Google instead.
You want
Maybe
me
that
to try
will
to
work.
do that?
I would say so.
Sign in with Google.
Now let's see how
So
many
you want to do
characters that has.
DRSRush at
1, 2,
Gmail
3,
or it is
4, 5,
training?
6, 7.
So they say you're supposed to use 8.
But if Google accepts it, maybe it's okay.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
understand?
To continue to VAPI, choose an account. Which account should I use from Google? More Biz, Wiz Dial ABC. It is training.
Just a moment, I time and cook
Okay.
so much. I have some nerves.
Okay. Which account did you use?
Continue. How did you hear? So it seems like I went in. So use Dr. S. Rush
Okay.
and whatever email you use there. Select adoption. How did you hear? YouTube, you said?
But Dr. S. Rush at Gmail or it is training. Maybe I should use it as training.
Dr. S. Rush at
Oh,
Gmail. Die. Finished. What?
okay. By continuing, Google will share your name, email address, language preference, and profile picture with VAPI. Do I want that?
Yes.
Okay.
Fooling around, but I'm get started.
Okay. Continue. How did you hear about us?
Create an assistant.
How did you say you heard about it?
Or documentation. YouTube. No assistant.
Some
Blank template.
track and manage. Track how your
Appointment setter and customer
wait, wait, wait.
support.
Track and manage. Track how your assistants are performing, how you're spending time. Looks like there are no metrics here. Create an assistant, start your metrics. Get started. Is that what you did?
Yes. Blank template.
Wait, did you say create an assistant?
Yes. No. Then it says no assistant. This is.
Oh,
This
okay,
can
wait.
adjust at any
Use it.
time. Please.
Get you create your own and use it to create a new assistant. This can be adjusted at any time. Okay, assistant name. So give an assistant name. New assistant. What do you want to call it?
No assistant, the default.
Okay,
The
okay.
question is what should we choose? Appointment setter designed for
New
dental
assistant. Hold
practice,
on. Wait,
customer support,
I get past this.
inbound,
Wait.
QA, and games NPC.
Oh, here. Oh, you're at this thing. New assistant. Blank. Oh, no. Do one already done. Okay. Oh, I have the same thing.
So what should you choose?
Hold on. Appointment setter. Designed for dental practices to demonstrate setting appointments. It streamlines scheduling, answers common questions. That's what everybody was using. I mean, set a
Right?
versatile template. Let me read it. Hold on. With a perfect mix of emotional and ideal for everyone, efficient customer support, inbound, an inbound call agent. Example designed to provide comprehensive support for smart home innovations with deep understanding of product details. I think inbound Q&A or support.
What can you demonstrate as a professor is appointment setter?
No, but the setter. No, that's not good because you said
Something that you're already
no,
doing.
no. But it's designed for a dental practice.
Doesn't matter,
No,
dental, schmental.
I think this is better.
It
A
is
vers-
designed for dental, but you can use it, and anybody can use appointments.
Designed for dental practice. So if you're going to use their template, you're going to have to change all the wording. Here, look at customer support. Versatile. Wait a minute, hold on. Let's read it. Let's make it consistent. See, a template designed with a perfect mix of emotional intelligence, technical, ideal for empathetic, efficient customer support, like students are having issues, right? They're gonna be they're gonna be like consultants. I think
Okay.
customer support.
Inbound Inbound call agent example designed to provide comprehensive support for smart home innovations with a deep understanding of a product, a detail, and troubleshooting. I like inbound Q&A for a product like the ne- neck wallet phone and neck wallet phone and badge holding lanyard. For smart home innovation. That is a smart home innovation. You walk around the home with your lanyard, and I can answer questions with a deep understanding of product details, which I do, and troubleshooting. And the students can make a product. They are providing service or product or both for the chapters that they deal with. I like customer support because the template is technical knowledge, ideal for empathetic, efficient customer support. Okay, fine. Customer support then. Why do you like it? What do you like about it? It seems to be the most flexible one and the one that can work anywhere. It can work for inbound Q&A, and it can also make for outbound. Sometimes customer support has to call out. Inbound means that you won't call out, you understand? So let's create an assistant. We're using customer support. Okay? Yeah, click create assistant, loading. Okay, this gives you the latency and the cost. You have Ava, yes. Assistant ID. They give you an ID. Okay, so here, this is the ID. I guess you copy it. I copied it. No, you have to copy it, I think. Here's the assistant. Talk with assistant or. See, you have to start paying. See here. I guess they give you some credit. No, but I'm going to copy the assistant ID and put it in an Talk with assistant. No, but I want to copy that number. You see, there's an ID. Yes, but there is a buttons there. Copy assistant ID. Yeah, I'm going to copy. Yeah, I copied it, and then the other one is assistant demo. Copy demo link. So I'm going to put in my number. Okay. Got it. So it gives you a link at least to where you were. The assistant. Mhm. Assistant. Assistant demo. What's that? Demo. Okay. Right. Okay. Now, let's see where I am. Okay, talk with the assistant. Docs and sport. You want me to talk now? Should I click on it? Yeah. Talk with assistant. What are you doing? I'm just noting a doctor what email I used. DRA, no? I use DRS. This connection you gave me doesn't work well. What connection? For my phone. You put these two things together. I used to have a direct wire that was just USB-C. Who? Okay, Dr. ARush. And it was Fabi.ai.
Okay. Model. Oh, you can public model. This section allows you to configure the model for the assistant. Provider OpenAI. Oh, here you can create what model you want. You understand? Default, it's ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo. And then you have knowledge bases here. You can add a knowledge base. And they give you 250 tokens. You got it? And then you can detect emotion. Hello, this is Ava. May I assist you today? Making her an invaluable tool for training. She guides new agents through simulated instructions, offering real-time advice to refine their skills in handling various empathy. Oh God, what?
Please refrain from garbage in the video if you can. Thank you. No, but don't talk trash with your pains and irrelevant garbage, please. I'm with Ava. Talk with assistant. Cost is 99 cents a minute and latency and model. So did you select the model or not? What is default?
Default. This section provider OpenAI. OpenAI is the provider, and the model was it was here. Get GPT 3.5 Turbo. What else can you choose? Oh, you can choose a number of them, but I think when you choose others, it's going to cost you more.
Let me see what else is available.
See, here's available.
Let me see. I have a list to
See,
cluster.
see, they
4.0
cost
mini
more.
real-time cluster.
They cost money.
GPT-4 real-time cluster. Mini cluster.
Oh, go by cheapest. Cheapest.
You
I'm
don't
a,
have to worry about it because they give you money. You're going to make just a demo. You understand that? What is the cheapest?
I clicked on cheapest. You understand?
So which one is the cheapest here?
See, they have here the cheapest.
Here, look at my computer.
See where it says cheapest? You see that?
Oh, cheapest here.
Yeah.
Fastest.
Or the cheapest. I took the cheapest right now.
Okay, cheapest.
You got it? So
Yes.
it puts it in. So I took the
Fine.
cheapest. You asked me.
Yes.
Okay. I just want
And
to
this
try.
was not the default?
No.
What was the default?
GPT 3.5
Oh,
was the default, but I wanted the cheapest. You understand?
oh, the default is GPT-4 mini.
No,
I.
GPT 4. Oh, that was not my default.
What was your default?
I told you GPT 3.5 was the default, but I looked at it and it said, it was a button that says cheapest, and I chose cheapest. You understand?
Okay, fine, cheapest. Okay.
The next one is knowledge base. You see that?
Next one is knowledge base.
Do you have knowledge base? After the model.
After the model is knowledge base, select knowledge base, yes.
Right. So you have none or,
Or add a new knowledge base.
so let me add, see what kind of editing you can do. You understand? Okay, what is Vapes? A knowledge base of custom files. that contain information specific topics. By integrating knowledge base into your voice assistant, you can enable it to provide more accurate information. This is currently available to VAPI via API and will be on the dashboard soon, so it's not available.
So leave it,
Leave it where it was.
no knowledge.
Yeah, leave it to none.
Or it's not available, right?
Right, yeah, that's
and
what
when
it
it will be available, then you'll be able to enter a PDF or something like that. I know
I put none.
how to create the knowledge base. To create the knowledge base, follow these steps. Upload your file. No, it's important to put it in because you'll tell the students that later on, alternatively, you can upload your file via the API. Otherwise, you just choose a file and upload the file with your resume or something like that. You understand? Or a chapter. Or... That's important. Just a minute. Now that they gave me this documentation, I want to go back, and I'm not sure how to go back. Oh, here, okay.
Just looking at what they give you.
So add the knowledge base. Just add it and don't worry about it.
Choose.
No, you don't have. Where do you choose one?
Here. It says a plus. Just build it. Why use the knowledge base? How to create a knowledge base. You have to upload your files. The whole big thing. Alternative, you upload your files via choose file. They said it's not available yet, so I'm going to just say no.
Add the new knowledge base. Just a second, please.
I'm going to put 9 because then it's going to.
But you cannot add anything. Add a new knowledge base.
You can't add, so keep it at none. Why make it difficult? You haven't even gone through one thing. Just
So,
make it none.
None, fine.
Okay. Temperature.
Just leave it in default in
Yeah,
the middle.
but I'm going to put.
And max token 250.
I'd like to put since you're recording, tap on the little I for information and see what that means,
The
temperature.
temperature means, I think, how accurate or how emotional it will be.
Okay, max tokens. Okay. Detect emotion. You want to detect emotion? After max tokens.
250 max token. Detect emotion.
You want to detect emotion?
Yes.
So turn it on.
Fine. Detect emotion.
Did you turn it on?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, first message.
Temperature is at 0.7?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll do it default.
Okay, so what's next then?
Then it says first message. Why don't you have first message?
I don't know where's the first message.
Right here. After detect motion.
Detect motion.
I have first message.
I don't have first message.
Do you see this?
Detect 200. Detect motion. Hello, this is Eva. How may I assist you today? I didn't get it.
Got it.
Maybe I'll do full screen. Maybe that's the problem.
What's this? What's this?
This is an explanation of. Here it is. Okay, it's the next page. Fine. It's the same. Fine. Now it's fine. And then system prompt. Ava is a sophisticated AI training assistant crafted blah blah blah. Okay. Fine, I read it.
Crafted by experts in customer support and AI development. Designed with the persona of a seasoned customer support agent in her early 30s. Ava combines deep technical knowledge with a strong sense of emotional intelligence. Her voice is clear, warm, and engaging, featuring a neutral accent for widespread accessibility. You have the same text?
Yes.
Ava's primary role is to serve as a dynamic training platform for customer support agents, simulating a broad array of service scenarios from basic inquiries to intricate problem-solving challenges. Ava's advanced programming allows her to replicate diverse customer service situations, making her an invaluable tool for training purposes. She guides new agents through simulated interactions, offering real-time feedback and advice to refine their skills in handling various customer needs with patience, empathy, and professionalism. Ava ensures every trainee learns to listen actively, respond thoughtfully, and maintain the highest standards of customer care. So do you understand what I just
Yeah,
said?
let's go to the next step, please.
Major mode of interaction.
Publish.
No, major mode of interaction.
Okay,
I want to read it.
so read the whole thing quickly, come on.
Ava interacts mainly through
I want
audio.
to see how long it takes to make a demo in the
Okay.
class so the students can do
Ava
this. They can
creates
read on their own later. Let's go.
Okay.
I'm going to publish. Do you have a publish button or
Yeah.
not? So click publish and let's move
Okay.
on.
It's a circle. Is it circling?
Yes, and it says now it's okay, publish.
Okay. It's the next thing.
I know.
Now what do you do?
It says profile, so voice library.
So maybe you've published it already. Maybe you can use it. Oh, here you have voice model, and you see here when you under model next to
Yes,
publish, you see that model?
there's a delete button. That's
No,
all I have.
no. See here. Look at what I have here. When where does you have all this stuff here?
It's
Where do
already disappeared.
we'll go back up.
Oh, here. What do you want now?
So next to it, I have the word model. You have the word model?
Model section.
Okay, so I clicked on model. Click on model.
Okay.
Just click on model. See in my model, you have a voice. Oh, I guess you tell it what voice. Oh, you can do stuff about voice. You can give it background sound. Oh, the default. I made default, but you can make it sound like an office. You understand? Okay.
Thank you.
What? Voice configuration.
Create assistant. Well, let's move on
Okay.
already.
So what do you do now?
There is a button that says
What?
create assistant at the
Okay.
very top.
We created the assistant. And then we published. So how
And
do
so
you
what is the next thing?
I
There's
guess
model, it doesn't do anything. And then there is transcriber,
sweet.
deep gram,
So you
model, background, demolish, denoising enabled. Okay, then there is voice. So I suppose you can select voices. Voice configuration,
you can make what kind of
Cartesia,
stuff.
add voice ID, model, Sonic English,
Oh, I got out.
function, tools, select tools. Oh, you have tools here. Search, select all, create new. To the transcriber model, you have to open them up. Okay, that's it then. Hello, Ava. Okay, so this is
Okay. Loading.
okay. Transcriber,
Got it. You have loading? You get load
deep
Ava.
gram, English
Ask
model.
AI. Is that him? What voices? Oh, this is just the dashboard. This is AI assistant. Ask me anything about password.
Okay, okay, well, subscriber, voice, criteria, function, tools, select tools, predefined function, dial keypad, forwarding phone number. So what will be a forwarding phone number? This phone number will be used to transfer calls from the assistant, only applicable with phone calls, not on web calls.
I can't use voice.
This phone number will use transfer calls from the assistant. So put your phone number, your cell phone number. Okay?
Hold on, I
Did you
got.
get to this
No,
function? Dial keypad. Enable end call function. This will allow assistant to end the call from its side, best for GPT-4 and bigger models. Select tools. The way you can enable your voice bot to perform certain action and task during the call. Add your tool from the tools library page to your voice bot to connect with make.com or GHL workflow. You can also have a custom tools with your own backend. Enable call function. So there is go to functions and enable call function. This will allow the assistant to end the call. I want to enable everything that you can enable and then enter your phone number. Okay.
Okay, Dad wants to use your microphone. You see what I'm doing now?
No,
I went to Ava. You wanna follow like I'm doing?
no, I want you to follow what I'm doing.
Allowing
So the phone number is going to be WizMoBiz. Wiz,
error.
or it's
Where'd you get that?
949
Oh, you changed something here. Instead of more,
667 249
you used
249.
it under what? Transcriber voice functions. What did you use in advanced analysis? How'd you get there?
Just a second, please. Forwarding phone number. Control V. Okay. United States. Custom functions. Note, functions are the same as tools except they syntax OpenAI spec. Check out function guide for more. Okay. Custom function. Okay.
Okay.
So
How'd you get the phone number?
go to the tab that
Says what?
says
Says what?
call assistant.
What tab?
Function. There is a
I have functions.
function. So scroll down
To functions.
to function. It
Yeah,
has
okay.
enable end call function
Okay.
and dial keypad.
Okay. So
Enable it. Enable,
call function.
yeah, enable end call function and enable dial
Oh,
keypad.
and
And the forwarding phone number, type the cycle. Never mind, put it and let's move on already. Yes, please. Yes.
Custom phone.
And then go to publish and publish it. You should have a button that says publish in the right upper corner. Right there. Is it published? What does it say before we press it? Does it read the message? The message on the green button there, read it out loud. That's all I'm saying. Click on it now. Click on it. Okay, it published it already. You understand? Okay, then there is advanced that I don't know where it disappeared. Where is advanced?
Click on the function. Click on functions again, you'll see it.
Click on function again.
Yeah. No, go down. See, no, here. See those arrows? Function.
Oh, function. Okay,
Told you 3 times.
fine. Now go to advanced. Select advanced.
Privacy. I don't care about HIPAA, PCI.
Uh,
Record the conversation with the assistant.
HIPAA compliance. When this is enabled, no log, recording, or transcription will be stored. PCI compliance. When enabled, only PCI compliant providers can be selected. Audio recording on and video recording on.
During a web call, this will record the video of your user.
Okay, so if you do a video call, like any video call will, please include video call, turn it on, please.
Start speaking plan. This is a plan.
Wait seconds.
Point
Leave
four.
the default, everything
Point
else.
4. Smart endpoint. Enable for more accurate speech endpoint detection. All this is going to cost you more, so you're not.
Don't worry.
You want to start endpointing.
Stop speaking.
This is a plan.
Number of words is normal words that the customer
Has to say.
has to say before assistant will stop talking.
I'm leaving it at 0. It says 0. Voice seconds. Back. I'm leaving it at 4. Seconds to wait before this.
Leave everything.
30.
Messaging, server URL, endpoint, handle server messages. This URL VAPI will use to communicate messages via HTTP post request. This is used for retrieving context, function calling, and end report.
Yeah.
Leave it off.
Yeah.
Client messages, conversations, update, function call. These are the messages that will be sent to the client SDK. Okay, leave it. Server message, hang and model output. These are messages that will be sent to the server. Okay. Voicemail. Hey, this is Eva. Could you please call me back? Okay. End call message. Thank you for contacting us. Have a great day. Idle message. Messages that the assistant will speak when the user hasn't responded.
Arrow.
Pull it down. Say, are you still there? Is there anything else I can help you with? what is the default?
It was
No, have a something.
it's quiet. Is there
Are you
anything
still there?
I would say is there
Okay, fine.
anything
Or which one would you like? Stay. Yes. Can I assist you further? Let me know if there is anything you need. I'm still here if you need assistance. I'm ready to help whenever you are. Is there something specific you're looking for? So let's say I'm ready to help whenever you are. Whenever you are. I'm ready to help whenever you are. Okay. Then let's go down to the next thing is uh, max idle.
so
That's it. We reached all the advanced, right? Click publish again. On the right corner in the same place. Scroll up to the top somewhere, find it. No. Okay, publish. Okay, publish. Done. Now let's see if there's anything beyond advanced. Analysis, the last one. Okay, analysis. This is the prompt that uses to extract structured data from the call. You'll be giving a transcript of a call and the system prompt of the AI participant. Extract. Structured data request timeout.
determine if the call was successful based on the objectives inferred from the system prompt. Okay. And this imports so you
So
so
what does it mean? They want you to type a message?
yeah.
This prompt that's
Evaluate if
used
you
to extract structured data from the call.
now evaluate here if your call was successful. You can use a rubric standalone or combination with success evaluation prompt. If both are provided, they are concatenated into appropriate
You clicked
instruction.
on doc. What did you click on?
No,
It support
no, success evaluation. Go up. You have success
structured data,
above that.
success evaluation
Yeah, yeah.
request,
Success evaluation.
timeout in seconds, 30. What did you put there?
I didn't put anything. I mean, I put
So
everything
what
else.
do you want now?
This was analysis. I say here.
From? So just leave it
Oh,
alone. It doesn't matter. We didn't select anything. Okay, so we basically finished. Right. You can try
see here it says talk with the assistant.
the assistant.
You got it?
Okay, let's try to talk to the assistant. Yeah.
Okay.
What about the three dots? Call logs, duplicate
Where
and
do you have
delete.
that?
Right on the right hand side would call with the
Oh,
assistant. Let me try to talk with the assistant. Connecting, it says. Yes. Dashboard VAPI AI wants you to use your camera, use your phone, allow while visiting the site. So let me put in my head just a second. I want to see how I look. So, okay. Putting the schmut on my head.
okay. Make it straight in the forehead.
My tiger, where's my tiger?
I,
Where's my tiger? Let's see. Did you take it from here?
Not that I know of.
Maybe you laminate it or something? You don't see it anywhere?
I don't.
Please leave my stuff alone.
Just
I'm just asking you in the future.
let's go. You want to talk with your assistant? Let's talk. I'll wait for you first, okay?
Didn't you get the camera permission?
I didn't do it yet. I want to watch you first, okay?
Allow while visiting the site. I'm selecting that,
Okay, I
okay?
would allow this time.
Okay.
Go
Gives
to
you
your
a URL. See, put it in my notes. Okay.
okay.
File save.
Okay.
Okay, so I
Now
allowed it.
talk with it. Now,
Just a second, please. Error.
see, I got an error.
Exiting meeting because room was deleted.
That's what I got.
What does it mean that room was deleted?
Oh, here you can do web, Twilly, or Vantage. What do you have?
Where is that? Where do you have that?
Under talk with assistant.
Talk with assistant.
Right. And I have this. I have, see over here, web.
Oh, okay. This is the key.
See under
Web.
web.
Okay, web. Twilio
Twilio
or
or
Vantage.
Vantage.
Okay.
I put web.
Okay, web.
Okay. And
And
mode.
model.
Mode doesn't, nothing happens.
Then is Vabi fixed cost, deepgram, get for 0 mini, Cartesia and web. Selected web.
I did web.
And talk to the assistant, nothing happens.
Call logs, duplicate, delete. Okay, talk with the assistant. Okay. Maybe what you have to do, you see this link here? This copy, did you copy? Maybe you have to now go into something. What's this?
Don't know what computer.
Copy demo link. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go.
Where's copy demo link?
There was right there next to it. Here, click on that.
On the 3 buttons.
Yeah.
Call log, duplicate and delete. Okay, what is call
No,
log?
here, when they gave you assistant ID under Ava, you have assistant ID
Yes.
above that.
Oh, this
Yeah.
assistant demo. Then
Right.
there's another one, copy assistant ID.
See, I did this assistant demo. I copied that. And now
Okay.
I'm gonna go to,
Copy demo link, so then paste it in my notes.
now I'm gonna go to another tab. Stand, paste it here.
Control V.
See what happens.
Oh, yeah.
See? Put it in another link. You see this now?
It was called what? Copy demo link?
Yeah.
Copy.
Hello? Okay, allow while visiting the site. Okay. I'm just gonna say allow. Okay. Hello?
Hello, this is Ava. How may I assist you today?
Yeah, Ava. I wanted you to some help with IT about databases. Can you tell me about databases?
Yes, I'm here to help. Databases are structured collections of data that allow you to store, manage, and retrieve information efficiently. They can be classified into several types, such as 1. These organize data into tables with rows and columns. They use structured query language, SQL, for querying data. Examples include MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Oracle Database. 2. These are designed to handle unstructured data and can store data in various formats, such as key-value pairs, documents, or graphs. Examples include MongoDB, Cassandra, and Redis. 3. These store data in the form of objects, as used in object-oriented programming. 4. These are designed to represent and query relationships between data points, using nodes and edges. An example is Neo4j. What specific aspect of databases would you like to know more about?
How do you secure databases?
Yes, securing databases is a critical aspect of database management. Here are some common practices for securing databases. 1. Implement strong user authentication mechanisms to ensure that only authorized users can access the database. Use role-based access control to restrict permissions based on user roles. 2. Encrypt sensitive data both at rest and in transit. This protects data from unauthorized access and ensures that it remains confidential. 3. Keep the database software and any associated applications up to date with the latest security patches to protect against vulnerabilities. 4. Regularly back up your database to ensure that you can recover data in case of a security breach or data loss. 5. Continuously monitor database activity and maintain logs for auditing. This can help detect unauthorized access or suspicious activity. 6. Use firewalls to protect the database server from unauthorized access and ensure that only required ports are open. 7. Use data masking techniques to protect sensitive information in non-production environments. Do you have any specific questions or areas of database security you would like to explore further?
Can I get a transcript of what you're saying?
I'm afraid I don't have the capability to provide a transcript of our conversation directly. However, I can summarize the key points we've discussed or provide additional information on databases or any other topic you may need. Would you like me to do that?
No. Can I make an appointment? Or can you put something in my calendar?
I don't have the ability to access or manage your calendar directly. However, I can guide you on how to set up an appointment using your preferred calendar application. Would you like assistance with that?
Let me see if my partner has another question.
Of course.
How do I get the phone number to call so it terminates with the VAPI AI assistant?
It seems like you might be asking about how to get a phone number for a specific service or support related to an AI assistant. If you're looking for a customer support number or a specific contact for assistance, I recommend checking the official website of the service you're interested in. They usually have contact information listed in the support or contact section. If you have a specific service in mind, let me know, and I can guide you further.
VAPI is the service. VAPI.ai.
To find the customer support number for Zap.ai, you would typically visit their official website. Look for sections like Contact Us or Support, where they often list their phone number or other ways to get in touch. If you can't find it there, you might consider reaching out through their social media channels or submitting a support request via email. If you need any more help or have any other questions, feel free to ask.
Free option of VAPI AI. I got an information to use a phone number from Twilio or from other sources. I don't have a Twilio phone number. How can I buy a phone number from vapi.ai?
No. To acquire a phone number from a service like Zap.ai or Twilio, you would typically follow these steps. 1. Create an account on the Zap.ai platform or Twilio's website. 2. After logging in, look for a section related to phone numbers or APIs. This is often found in the dashboard or menu. 3. You should have options to choose a phone number based on your needs, local, toll-free, etc. 4. Follow the prompts to purchase the number. You may need to provide payment details. 5. Once you have your number, you can configure it for use with your applications or services. If you have any specific questions or need assistance with any of these steps, feel free to ask.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you. That's it.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions in the future, Feel free to reach out. Have a wonderful day.
Bye.
Goodbye. Take care.
So you could do a dental office. You remember how you used to hear dental office when you want to make the appointment? And this was customer care. Now it's interesting.
But she didn't give you an option to buy a number from them.
Now she
It was no,
has
it was Twilio and others.
and that. Here, confirm your sign up. Let's get you confirmed. See, Vappy, thanks for creating an account. Confirm your email. Should I confirm here? They sent me something.
Yes.
Okay. So now I can sign in again to my account. It's like all those generic ones, but you can change the prompt. You know what I mean?
An error occurred while attempting to save the recorded step. The system cannot find the path specified.
Is that
Okay, so let me save again.
output failed? Okay.
There was a point that they had get a number and they gave you an option of Twilio and Vantage and some other things. Where was it? Do you remember?
No, that's sure. Yeah. Okay. Let me go to my Vappy.
It was under function. So
I don't know. It's under web. You had like three options.
analysis. Mode, web. Oh, Twilio and Vantage.
Yeah.
Okay. Web is fine, but I want a phone number. Twilio. If you click on Twilio, what does it do? Nothing. Vantage also doesn't do anything.
I'm trying to get in again.
Oh, they put the name Twilio and Vantage here. And web, you don't need to have a phone.
That's what I did.
Okay, so what now? This is overview. Overview. Okay,
This is
overview.
like your dashboard.
Call analysis. Reason. Call ended. Call duration.
Like your dashboard.
Number of concurrent. Okay, so this is overview. Build. What is build? Assistant workflow. Phone numbers. That's what I want. So go to build and click on phone numbers. Okay. No, I don't understand. So log in.
See here, Google.
Create a phone number. Why did you leave? Why do you have to create chaos and confusion? Get a phone number. Fine, okay. So now I want to create a phone number and I want to copy this URL to my notes. Control copy. Put it in my notes here. Okay. Now this is where it matters. Phone number. VAPI phone numbers are free of charge and limited to 10 numbers per wallet. Create.
What's happening?
Did you get this?
To get it logged me out.
EG4
After I made that phone call,
15.
after I did
Oh,
that,
area code they want to know. Area code. Okay, 786. 786.
would that
Okay,
rather than
create.
305?
Yes.
Why? I'll run.
Yes, create. Fine.
What does it say?
This area code is currently not available.
Okay.
Try 856, 810, and 9. Okay, 856 is VKO. Oh, what is it? VKO. V Joe. You Joe. You Joe.
856 V low TLM.
Try spy.
And that's 779. You have that?
779 spy. Create.
That got it?
So it gives me this number. Terrible.
They just give you a number.
Create a squad.
Shoot.
What if I go back?
Make sure you delete it or something if you don't want it, because you only can do 10 of them.
Unlabeled activity. Unlabeled. Labeled. Create phone number. Okay, change the area code. Okay, let me go and see what area code I got. Wiz more biz. Let's try Wiz. See if that, what does that do? 949, which is good. Let's create Wiz. So you can try different numbers here. They all stick those
They put zeros in there.
zeros everywhere.
Joyce, or that's it. What's this? Oh, these.
Select it. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. I beg you, please don't do that. Don't touch my screen and get out of control, please. Stick your fingers anywhere. Telephone numbers do I have? I tried with mobile. I tried. See what other number do I have? File Explorer. Documents. Mob for website. Okay, let's try mob. What else do I have? Run is not good. Sec.
Jamobi.
Down in USA. Try vid. Copy them to my notes here. Please, I tried and they gave me a lousy number. Zip. So let's try another one. Will be USA. That's a good one. Yes, USA. Create the phone number. Okay. Create USA. Okay, finally I got a good one. USA. Now I want to know what that spells. Oh, what does it give me this number for? USA. Okay. Okay. 872 2 345 9 345. Okay. So that is USA. Can you watch what I'm doing, please?
What are you doing? I'm trying to read it. I'm looking at this vacuum. I'm going to try it again. Getting into it.
Okay. USA. Mom. Man.
Welcome to Voppy. I'm an assistant that you can talk to like a person. So, how's your day going?
Okay. I want
Just
to
okay.
ask her a question about the telephone. This is Vappy itself.
Oh, you want to ask a question about the telephone? Go ahead, ask me anything.
Okay, how can I get a free phone number from you?
To get a free phone number from Voppy, you can sign up for an account on our platform. Once you're signed up, you can choose a phone number to use with our services. It's as easy as that.
And you give me the phone number?
Yes, once you sign up for an account, you can select a phone number from the available options that we provide.
And how long can I have that number?
You can have the phone number as long as you continue using our services. There's no expiration date on the phone number as long as you're an active user.
I have to make, what can I do with that phone number once you give me
You
a
can use
phone
the
number?
Once we provide you with a phone number, you can make and receive calls, send and receive text messages, and use it for any other communication purposes you need. It's all yours to use as you please.
So then my Vappy bot will be on, someone calls that telephone number, they'll hear my Vappy bot.
Yeah, right. When someone calls the phone number provided by Voppy, they'll be connected to your Voppy bot and can interact with it just like they would with a real person. It's a cool way to engage with your users through voice interactions.
So how's that different from 1-800 ChatGPT?
Well, with VoIP, you get a more personalized experience because you can customize your own voice assistant to represent your brand or personality. Plus, you have more control over the conversation flow and can tailor it to your specific needs. It's like having your own virtual assistant on the phone ready to help you out. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. I'm here to help.
Okay, can I get also the transcript of the call?
Yes, you can definitely get a transcript of the call. VoIP provides the option to record and store transcripts of your conversations for future reference or analysis. Just let us know and we'll make sure to set it up for you.
Is that a free service as well?
There may be additional charges for the transcription service depending on the package you choose. We offer different pricing plans with various features, so you can select the one that best fits your needs and budget. Just check out our pricing page for more details.
Okay. You have a free pricing plan?
We don't have a free plan, but we do offer a pay-as-you-go option where you only pay for the minutes you use. It's a flexible way to manage your costs without any fixed fees.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
Okay, so this is not so bad. This is a USA MAN VIL. IL is an abbreviation for Israel. Or 4K. Should I try another number? Doctor. I want a vanity number. How can I get a vanity? How can I get a vanity number from you? I entered the area code 872 and it gave me a number, but I don't like this number as much.
Specific digits to see if a vanity number is available. If you need any help, just let me know.
Activate the number.
You can take as many trials as you need to find the perfect vanity number. Once you've found the one you like, you can go ahead and activate it.
Okay. Mhm.
Sure, take your time and try out different options until you find the perfect vanity number for your needs. If you need any further assistance, just let me know.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, that's much
You're
better.
welcome.
Bye.
Got a good one now.
Glad to hear that. If you have any more questions or need help with anything else, feel free to ask.
Thank you. Bye.
You're welcome.
Should I continue?
Goodbye. Take care.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
You too. Goodbye.
So this is another number that I got.
What?
872. Repeat it.
872
666
666
9346.
9346.
You understand why I like it better?
9346.
That spells USA man we go. Man like money.
Mon.
And we go. You understand?
Yeah. And
Talking
fun
about the
too.
USA money and we go
Go for
is implies that we're on the go. It is mobile. You
it. Yeah.
understand? So should I activate it or keep looking for others?
Just activate it.
I
See?
suppose that I can go back to
Activate.
any one of them. Like if I select like this one, for
So
example.
see. Activate.
unlabeled.
Yeah.
Now that I want to go back, it doesn't let me
Yeah.
choose it, so I can choose only one and then it disappears. What can I do to activate unlabeled?
How do you
So when
activate?
you get a good one that you like, oh, unlabeled, it says. There was an activate button, but I didn't select it, you understand?
Where was
This was the last number,
it? Okay.
right?
So, and what's the
Unlabeled.
label
The
mean?
number was created through
Who have it?
VAPI. I don't know what this is.
That I think that's the URL for it or something. Put it over
Yeah.
here and see. Put it in your notepad.
Let me try again to enter it and see what happens. It doesn't. It has a
Inbound number.
check mark here, inbound.
Is that the number? Yeah,
Yes.
946. Okay, so okay, you can, let's read it. You can assign an assistant phone number. So whenever someone calls this phone number, the assistant will automatically, okay, good. So you select, okay, and select the assistant. Let's select it.
Ava and the number they gave you,
Yeah, yeah. Select assistant.
which is fine.
Okay.
No squad available.
What is
Create
it?
squad.
What's a squad? To enable this feature,
Or enter a phone number.
set a
Fallback
default
destination.
set a fallback destination for inbound calls when the assistant or squad is not available. Oh, okay.
Create a
So
squad.
if she's not available, I don't know what to create.
Squad is another number. Probably have to put.
Squads is a workflow tool that you connect multiple assistants in one flow. They can be fully configured. I think this is for like a call center.
Tools prompt
Yeah,
setting
yeah.
or can have unique overrides. Squad.
I would just get that
Go back.
assistant. I would just get that phone number.
Phone
How about if you just don't want to?
outbound.
What's select assistant?
Outbound call.
See here, squads.
What is outbound call?
Oh, when you make an outbound call here, outbound phone number. Here it says this, you can assign an
An
outbound,
outbound phone.
read it.
Set up a fallback and set up a squad to be called if the assistant is not available.
So let's say you don't want an assistant. You don't want to fall
Outbound
back.
call.
You don't want to, because you don't want people calling you if you don't want to, only when you call.
Assistant.
Okay. Okay.
So the phone number is this phone, that's it? No.
You want me to call
File.
that number and see if it works? Do you have to publish it? Where's the publish button? Go back to phone numbers. What is that?
Slack is a conversational workflow tool that allow users to design and manage interactions.
Okay. What?
Note we are in beta. Most features are in place and we're seeking community feedback to improve. Your input is valuable. Our goal is to gather feedback from community to improve
Yeah, yeah.
experience.
Okay. So they don't.
No, oh, this is blocks,
Oh,
blocks of code. Okay,
right.
squads.
It's observed.
Where is observe? Just finish one thing at a time.
But
Already.
you went to squads
Okay,
already.
now observe. Okay, let's see what is observe. Observe is nothing. Doesn't do anything. Let me go back to phone numbers.
So create a phone number. And how do you do?
What does it say on label? How can I label it?
Well, look here. What it
Oh,
unlabel?
you can delete
Oh,
it.
yeah, but you don't want to delete that
I
one.
don't.
Delete the ones that you don't want with the
Oh, okay, so
zeros.
that's interesting. Yeah, let me delete this one.
Right. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes. You can't undo it. Okay. Yeah,
Delete.
right. And the other one with the 0 too. You know what I'm saying? Now, this is, do you want that one?
No, I want just this one.
Okay. Okay. Okay, now you have this. Okay. Inbound. What is this?
This is the number.
Okay, so it's checked. Okay, read this to me.
You can assign an assistant to the phone number so that whenever someone calls, this phone number assistant will automatically be assigned to the call. Yes.
Okay, so select assistant here.
So the assistant is the Eva.
Okay, good. All right.
Squad.
Okay, now where do you have publish? You have a publish. There's
Feedback.
save.
Outbound.
Okay.
Outbound phone.
Copy. Did you copy this to the notepad?
Yes. So as I remember it,
Yeah.
USA. Man, we go.
Put it on mine. Okay.
So outbound call.
Okay. What is it? 872.
666
872.
666 9346. You want to run her and ask her questions? How can I use it? How can I publish it? Or is it by default is already published?
You probably have to save it and publish, don't you think? When you did publish before, do you have a publish number? Go all the way
Let me
up.
go to overview and see maybe the publish button will appear again. No, really?
Oh, profile. It's a bird. Call logs. Work. We. Okay, so now let me call that number and see what happens. Okay, I'm going to go to my notes. Keypad. I'll call that's Ava, right? My contact. Let me add Ava to my contacts, okay? Ava, and that's Ava. See, they're all called Ava. You know what I mean? And and then let me put Ava, and she's from Vappy. Ava Vappy. Paste. No, this is not what I want.
Can you dial the number, please?
I'm going to. Give me the number again. 8. You want to give me the number?
Yes, I will give you the number. Just 872 666. Repeated.
666
9346.
9346. Chicago. Hi, Ava. I wanted to find out about you helping me. I want to use a service called VAPI, VAPI. Have you heard about it? Great. So
Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye. It works. So,
it's pretty quick.
well, perfect for a classroom.
Yeah.
Now I want to do I want to make this call from the computer. You understand?
Okay.
So I want to go into a number that I have.
Which account is this?
Please help me.
Okay. This is your key right here.
Control copy.
And then paste it under enter name or number. Okay, and then press the phone. Let's see if it'll come.
Hello, this is Eva. How may I assist you today?
Help me figure out what the vanity number is. Yes, I've created the vanity number already, and this vanity number spells the words USA, MON, MON, we go, WEGO. Converting the letters to digits, it is as follows: 872, 872, 666, and 9,346. What do you think? Yes, I'm looking for feedback, especially as the business theme that surrounds it. My intention is to use this vanity number for a business that deal with the MON, the abbreviation for money, and we go, the indication that this is on the go. We go, it will be a mobile USA money vanity phone number. Yes, I'm going to do a search on the search engine to find exactly if there is anything like it, and if it is, what business are they in? What is the business theme? What is the business theme of Man We Go? Not no Man, MON dot We Go. Yes, I'm looking now again on another idea. USA Man We Go dot AI. Describe how AI.
Paste it because then you have limited time.
I type I typed I typed USA manwego.ai in the Microsoft Bing search engine and tried to figure out what kind of business could it possibly be. Yes, I've entered it to Pilot, the Microsoft Pilot, and I'm asking Pilot to tell me what could it possibly be. It sounds like a good idea. I'm copying it into my notes. Yes, and I'd like to check other AI chatbots. What else do you think I can ask them to find relevant information? Yeah, I'd like to try Gemini and see what Gemini would say about the same thing. What do you think about that idea? Yeah, I want to try the free trial with the Gemini AI or some of the other AIs. Yeah, I don't want to pay, and I would like to use the free trial on Gemini, but Google wants me to pay. Is it Gemini.com or
No, I get it on my phone. Maybe it's enough.
okay, I got it here
Okay,
now.
she hung up, I guess.
Fine. Model. Just want to start a new Ask Gemini. LOS, okay. What could this vanity phone phone number be used for? And this is a vanity phone number and the URL. Read what I said. What I
What
said.
did you say?
Says you are.
Give me more details. Around 10 simultaneous. This means that you can make. So Vappy starts giving you $10 in free credits. So once you've made your limit, you'll start seeing errors in your dashboard. Did you hear that?
Don't interrupt. Don't help. Don't hurt.
Trying to find about the Vappy
Be
limit.
quiet and don't interfere with my recording, please. You don't have cycle to help. Shut up. In other words, you understand plain English? Those are brains. Only God can help you. Where's the speaker? I want her to narrate it. The vanity phone number spells out.
I think there's the mic over there in the upper lower
I
corner.
said speaker. Did you hear
Yeah.
speaker or I said mic?
Sometimes when you put the mic, then the speaker comes up. That's why. When you put the speaker on, when you put the mic on, then you hear the speaker the next time you ask something.
Didn't catch that. Try speaking again. Can you elaborate on this? Where's the speaker icon? Turn on the speaker icon to narrate the Gemini response.
Bottom.
Unfortunately, I can't directly narrate the text for you.
Okay.
I'm a text-based AI, so I don't have built-in audio capabilities.
Be here.
You can simply paste the text into the website, and it will generate a PDF file with information from screen readers. If you have a visual learner, you might be using a screen reader. On any text on your screen, including the text I provided. You can ask them to read the text aloud. The assistant to read the text. I hope this helps.
In my phone.
Don't
I have
bother.
my speaker. See,
Fine.
on my speaker, my phone.
Don't bother. Thank you very much.
The speaker icon in Windows 11 is located in the bottom.
It's here.
Please don't bother. What does this vanity phone number USA man we go .ai spells? This is a vanity phone number and a URL with the domain name of USA Mango and the domain name extension of AI, like artificial intelligence.
Let's break down what USA. We take action. Personal touch. The man adds a slightly informal human element despite the AI focus. It can simply be a way to emphasize the we go part, making it more real. Spells be a playful and indicating that AI is used to figure things out or reveal insights. Vanity phone number 872-666-9346. This spells out USA Mon We Go, reinforcing the brand name and making it easy to remember. Numbers are chosen for marketing purposes to be more memorable than a standard number. By domain, linked to usamonweco.ai. This domain extension specifically links the service to artificial intelligence. It confirms that AI is central to their operations. Putting it all together, Weco, that AI spells, and the corresponding phone number and domain name strongly suggest a US-focused service that uses AI in a dynamic and responsive way. They likely offer some kind of monitoring, analysis, or data-driven service within the US, leveraging AI to provide insights or take action. The man we go part suggests a more hands-on, readily available approach than just pure data processing. Think of possibilities like AI-powered field service management. They use AI to optimize routes and tasks for field technicians across the US. Real-time data analytics and response. They use AI to analyze data streams and dispatch teams to address issues in their routes. They use AI to analyze client data and provide actionable recommendations. The exact nature of the service is still unclear without more context, but the combination of these elements paints a picture of a dynamic AI-focused company operating in the US.
Yes, I intended it to be spelled differently. The correct spelling is USA, like the United States, MON, like monitoring, MON, we go, that AI. It is USA, MON, we go, that AI. Not men, MON, MON, like monitoring.
Money.
I intended to be for monitoring on the go, mobile monitoring, and I would like it to have an AI chatbot that will talk to me and monitor what I'm doing and give me advice on what to do. So let me spell it correctly one more time. MON is MON, we is WE, and go is GO, and the domain name extension is .ai. Altogether, it is USA manwego.ai, and the business theme is to get a business that will offer monitoring service using AI chatbot to provide advice to an individual concerning what the individual does and says, monitoring the behavior of an individual. What do you think?
With US and Monweco and focused individual behavior monitoring with AI USA Weco. This map clearly indicates monitoring and the dynamic nature of the service. Weco. This is real-time observation of individual activities. That AI, this is the use of AI as the technology for AI chatbot advisor. This is the key to action. The service isn't just it's providing this implies a two-way interaction. The user can also communicate with the AI. The business idea. You're envisioning a service that uses AI
to monitor an individual's behavior, actions, and communication, and then provides advice through an AI chatbot. This has potential applications in several areas. Personal productivity, life coaching, that AI could track how someone spends their time, patterns, and offer suggestions for improvement in productivity, time management, or communication skills. Health and wellness, that AI could monitor physical activity, sleep patterns, and even food intake if the user provides the data, offering personalized health and wellness advice. Skill development, training, that AI could observe someone practicing a skill, e.g., public speaking, coding, playing a musical instrument, and provide feedback and guidance in real time. Security, safety monitoring, in specific, consented to situations, e.g., elderly care, lone workers, the AI could monitor for safety concerns and alert designated contacts if necessary. Ethical considerations are paramount here. Personalized education, the AI could track a student's learning progress and provide customized tutoring or study recommendations. Key considerations and challenges. Privacy and ethics. This is the biggest hurdle. Monitoring an individual's behavior raises serious privacy concerns. Transparency about what data is collected, how it's used, and who has access to it is crucial. Explicit consent and robust data security measures are essential. AI usage must be adhered to. Data security. Protecting the sensitive data collected is paramount. Strong encryption and access. This analysis and advice must be accurate and reliable. Bias in the data or algorithms could lead to incorrect or harmful advice. Continuous testing is crucial. User trust. Users need to trust the AI and the service provider. Building that trust requires transparency, ethical practices, and demonstrable value. User interface, user experience. The chatbot interface needs to be user-friendly and intuitive. The advice provided should be clear, actionable, and easy to understand. Scalability. Building a system that can handle a large number of users and process vast amounts of data efficiently is a technical challenge. Next steps. Market research. Validate the demand for this type of service. Identify target audiences and their specific needs. Ethical framework. Develop a clear ethical framework for data collection, usage, and privacy. Technology development. Invest in developing a robust and reliable AI platform and chatbot. Legal counsel. Consult with legal experts to ensure compliance with all relevant privacy laws and regulations. This is a complex but potentially innovative idea. Addressing the ethical and practical challenges will be crucial for success.
That sounds very good and it reflects what I want to do. That sounds very good and it reflects what I want to do. Let me list a few of the next steps that I'm planning to do. Market research, validate the demand for this type of service, identify target audiences and their specific needs. The target audiences will be anybody that would like to get advice from an AI, artificial intelligence chat bot, that will give him advice, and all he has to do is call the vanity number USA MON we go. USA MON, MON, not men. USA MON. Backspace. Let me repeat again. The vanity phone number is USA MON, MON, like monitor. We go. .ai. The .ai is the domain name extension indicating that this service will be provided by an artificial intelligence chatbot that will tell an individual suggestions about what the individual is doing or trying to do.
Which one?
When you target
Boston,
audience,
English, and England.
anybody that you invite, specific market research is essential. You need to understand specific needs. What kinds of advice are people looking for? Productivity, health, skill development, etc. Focusing on a few key areas initially might be wise. Willingness to pay. How much are people willing to pay for this type of service? Are there existing services offering similar advice? What are their strengths and weaknesses? How can you differentiate your offering? Privacy concerns. Deeply explore potential users' comfort levels with sharing personal data for monitoring. This will inform your privacy policy and data handling practices. 2. Target audience identification. While your overall target is broad, segmenting your audience will be critical. Different groups will have different needs and priorities. Consider demographics, age, value proposition. Clearly define your unique value your service offers. Why should someone choose your AI advisor over other solutions, or no solution at all? Focus on the benefits, improved productivity, better health, skill advancement, etc. 4. Minimum viable product, MVP. Don't try to build everything at once. Start with a core set of features in a specific target audience. This MVP will allow you to test your concept, gather feedback, and iterate quickly. 5. Technology stack. Consider the technology you'll need. AI, ML platform. Which platform will you use for developing and training your AI models? E.g., Google Cloud AI platform, Amazon SageMaker, etc. Chatbot development. How will you build your chatbot? E.g., dialogue form, WhatsApp, etc. Data storage and security. How will you store and secure user data? Phone system integration. How will you integrate the vanity number with your AI chatbot? 6. Regulatory compliance. Consult with legal counsel early to address privacy concerns. GDPR, CCPA, etc. And ensure compliance with all relevant regulations. This is absolutely essential given the nature of your service. 7. Ethical considerations. Develop clear ethical guidelines for data collection, use, and AI decision making. Transparency and user trust are paramount. 8. Expertise. Identify the skills and expertise you'll need. AI, ML engineers, chatbot developers, legal counsel, marketing, etc. 9. Funding. If needed, explore funding options. The benefits of your service points in executing your planned next steps. You'll be well on your way to developing a successful AI-powered advice service. Remember, the key is to focus on solving a real problem for your target audience while prioritizing ethical considerations and user privacy.
The service is similar to Undercover Boss, where the boss wants to record the interaction between himself and other employees or partners to entertain people, but more importantly, to educate himself, that is, to educate the boss about his business or his organization, as well as educate the employees and teach them how to provide better service. Likewise, it can also be used by individuals on themselves. But let's focus first on the service similar to mystery shoppers, that companies hire individuals to be surprise customers and record the interaction with their business to analyze the business and make sure that everything is operating perfectly well. Similar to an audit trail in accounting that goes to verify exactly what an individual is doing. Likewise, if an individual wants to monitor himself to get an objective idea from a knowledgeable AI artificial intelligence chatbot that can make suggestions as to how to improve the behavior and or the activity that the individual engages in, especially when it comes to IT, information technology. That will be similar to the software that Microsoft is developing that is called Recall, which enables somebody to play back the screen images and the keystrokes that an individual did while using the computer to analyze their own action and or to document it for a third party. What we will do is we will extend it to mobile devices. That means that an individual, in addition to recording from inside the computer, using applications such as Microsoft Recall, we are going to use also external cameras, primarily mobile cameras, such as a head mounted tablet from Realware Corporation, as well as streaming and recording live from a cell phone while it is rested inside a neck, wallet, phone, and badge holding lanyard attached to the chest of the individuals, the videographer, and streaming live whatever the camera of the phone, which is tucked into the rear clear vinyl pocket of the lanyard, enabling the videographer to lower their gaze and see the screen of the phone and watch it in real time, see what the phone is broadcasting, live casting to YouTube Live, and or recording locally for later upload to YouTube to be shared on a public website to get feedback from viewers and more importantly to submit it to an AI chatbot such as Notebook LM, large language model from YouTube, and then create a study guide for the students in case of a professor that wants to use it for improving his or her teaching effectiveness. Make a study guide as well as, and more importantly, a vodcast to be published on the website that is called USA Man We Go.ai.
This clarifies your vision significantly. You're aiming to create a service that provides AI-driven analysis and feedback on reported interactions. Here's a breakdown of the key aspects. Core concept, AI-driven analysis of reported interactions, or screen interface, to provide feedback and suggestions. This allows developers professional AI main challenges that privacy and consent, crucial, recording individuals, even without consent, raises significant privacy concerns. You must have clear, explicit consent procedures. Data security is paramount. Consider anonymization or signalization means where possible. Legal counsel specializing in privacy law is essential. Be very clear about data retention policies. Data security, critical. Protecting the sensitive recordings and user data is absolutely vital. Robust encryption, access control, and secure storage are non-negotiable. Accuracy and bias of AI models can be biased. Carefully curate training data to minimize bias and ensure fairness. Continuously evaluate an AI's performance and address any biases that emerge. Quality of recordings. The quality of the recordings will significantly impact the AI's analysis. Provide guidelines and recommendations for recording best practices, lighting, audio quality, camera angles, etc. Integration complexity. Integrating various data sources, screen recordings, external cameras, YouTube, AI, platforms, chatbot interface presents a significant technical challenge. Scalability. Designing a system that can handle a large volume of recordings and user requests will require careful planning. Ethical considerations. Ongoing. Regularly review and update your ethical guidelines as the technology evolves. Transparency and user trust are essential. Next steps. Refine. 1. Privacy and legal review. Priority number 1. Consult with legal experts specializing in privacy law before proceeding further. 2. Technical feasibility study. Assess the technical feasibility of integrating all the components, recording tools, AI, platforms, chatbot, YouTube, website. 3. Proof of concept prototype. Develop a small-scale prototype to test the core functionality and gather feedback. 4. Targeted pilot program. Conduct a pilot program with a small group of users to refine the service and identify any issues. This is a complex project with significant technical and ethical considerations. Addressing these challenges proactively will be crucial for success. Start small. Focus on a specific use case initially, and prioritize privacy and security from the outset.
Let's review what we've covered. First of all, that will start with the vanity phone number that spells the following words: USA, Man We Go, which will also be the domain name and will have a .ai, like artificial intelligence, domain name extension. Potential customers will call the number by dialing the numeric equivalent of the domain name. USA Man We Go will translate to the area code 872 666 9346 is the digital equivalent of the domain name USA Man MON We Go. And when the individual will dial the number, my chatbot will appear and reply to the call and converse with the individual and teach them and instruct them about self-monitoring or monitoring another person.
chose an excellent opinion, reinforcement with performance the ban on link to usamonrico.ai. This is a good way to reinforce your brand. 2. Initial contact. A potential customer dials the number. 3. Chatbot interaction. Instead of a traditional phone menu or human receptionist, your AI chatbot immediately engages with the caller. 4. Chatbot's role. The chatbot's primary function is to explain the service, clearly and concisely describe what link to usamonrico.ai offers AI-powered monitoring and feedback on board users. Guide users through the process of setting up their education. Best practices for recording, video, screen, audio to ensure that AI can effectively analyze the data. This is crucial for the quality of the insights provided. Answer questions. Address any questions the user might have about the service, pricing, privacy, or technical requirements. Collect initial information. Gather basic information from the user, e.g., their goals for monitoring, the type of monitoring they're interested in. Key considerations for the initial chatbot interaction. Clarity and conciseness. The chatbot's initial message should be brief, easy to understand, and immediately convey the value proposition. User-friendliness. The chatbot interaction should be intuitive and user-friendly, even for people who are not familiar with AI or monitoring tools. Personalization. Where possible, personalize the interaction. Even a simple hello name can make a difference. Call to action. Clearly guide the user to the next step, e.g., to get started. Please tell us what type of monitoring you're interested in. Handling objections and concerns. Anticipate common objections, e.g., privacy concerns, cost, and prepare responses. Online platform or app where the user will manage their recordings and access the AI feedback. Error handling. The chatbot should be able to gracefully handle unexpected input or technical issues. Testing and iteration. Thoroughly test the chatbot interaction with real users and face-to-face feedback. Example chatbot interaction. Simple. Chatbot. ARush.ai. We use AI to help you monitor and improve your performance, whether it's for personal growth or professional development. Are you interested in self-monitoring or monitoring another person with their consent? User, self-monitoring. Chatbot, great. Self-monitoring can be a powerful tool for self-improvement. To get started, please visit our website and link to usamonrico.ai to create an account and learn more about how it works. Chatbot can then provide a brief overview of the process and answer frequently asked questions. This is just a basic example. The actual chatbot interaction would likely be more complex and tailored to the user's specific needs. The key is to make the initial contact informative, engaging, and easy to follow.
Now that you understand how a customer or potential users will call the number USA Mon Go, area code 872 666 9346, the chatbot will reply. That will be a voice to voice communication between the chatbot and the user. The next step is for the user to record everything that they are doing. If they are using a computer, to record it within the computer using multiple screen recorders, such as MSN Recorder Max for a local recording on the local machine, such as a PC with the Windows 11 or Windows 10. In addition to a local recording, use a cloud recorder such as loom.com, to make a video and screen recording, an audio and video screen recording, and save it on the cloud. In case the computer goes down, the recorder will be preserved on the Loom cloud. In addition to the screen recorder, there will be also webcams, such as Webcam Max or the camera software that is built into Windows 10 and Windows 11, or CyberLink UCam, which is a third party webcam software. But most importantly, we will run also Zoom, and it will be a webinar in which the instructor will use a Zoom webinar or Zoom conference to broadcast it live to the students that are not present in the class. And while the instructor broadcasts the class using Zoom, he will also broadcast it live to YouTube Live. So some of the students and some strangers that are not registered for the class can click on the YouTube Live Now icon and participate in the class as passive observers that can type comments in real time on the free unauthenticated access of youtube.com. And in addition to the recording within the computer using webcams and screen recording software, there will be also screen and keystroke recorders using software such as Psar.exe, which is a Microsoft software that stands for Problem Step Recorder .exe executable that records every screenshot and every keystroke and places it in a zip type file and stores it on the device. And these are all the local recording, meaning it will be recording to the local host, the PC or the computer that the user is using. In addition to that, there are going to be out of the computer mobile recording devices, such a head-mounted tablet from RealWare mounted on the head of the recorder or the videographer. iView video glasses that will record also the video and the audio on a POV, point of view type of recording. In addition to that, and most importantly, a chest mounted phone, cell phone, that records the video using the camera on the cell phone while it is tucked in a neck wallet, phone and badge holding lanyard attached to the back of the videographer by an easel, a three-legged easel. One leg holds the wallet with two clear vinyl pockets. The front clear vinyl pocket holds the badge, so people that look at this individual can read his designation, his name, his affiliation with a square code, so a phone can scan it and be ported to the website, while the rear clear vinyl pocket holds the phone. This is a folding wallet, so half the phone, and most importantly, the camera will protrude above the fold of the wallet so it can record video and stream live video to public unauthenticated access providing services such as YouTube Live. And the phone will be tucked in this rear clear vinyl pocket, strapped with a couple of rubber bands to keep it in position so it won't fall out. Even if the individual bends down and does a handstand, the phone will be tucked inside the rear clear vinyl pocket of the neck, wallet, phone, and badge holding lanyard. Likewise, since the lanyard is mounted on an easel and attached to the back of the videographer with four retractable carabiners locked behind the back of the individual, that wallet, that lanyard would not be able to move around and remain in a position in which the videographer set it up. More importantly, the hinges of the easel have two knobs. One knob on the left side controlling the stress on the hinges, on the left hinges of the easel. So without a screwdriver and a plier, the videographer can simply turn on the knob by swiveling it and adjusting the stress on the left knob of this three-legged easel, and on the right hand side another knob for the right hand to be tightened up by the videographer. This way, the three legs will remain in a constant position, distancing the wallet by about 5 fingers or a hand wide distance. So when the videographer drops his gaze and looks down, the videographer will be able to see the phone screen and be able to monitor it to make sure that the phone keeps recording or streaming. And when it stops, the videographer will be able to restore the streaming by clicking the buttons through the clear rear vinyl pocket like it touched the touch screen of the phone, without having to pull the phone out of the rear clear vinyl pocket of the folded wallet that is inside the neck, wallet, phone, and badge holding lanyard. So that will provide multiple video and audio and text sources to later submit it to AI software like Notebook LM, large language model from Google, and analyze it and create a podcast as well as a study guide, as well as a transcript of the discussion, and most importantly, will enable the videographer to join in the discussion in the podcast and comment on the podcast and re-record it, and in this way improve the podcast after many takes until there is no more improvement, or the marginal improvement is low enough to stop the repetition, and those files will be fed back to the AI to learn about this activity. This AI is an AI that is integrated into the vapi.ai website using the vanity phone number generated by Vapi.
comprehensive and detailed description of your recording setup for the link to screen activity, keystroke, video, audio from multiple sources, computer, mobile devices, external channels to provide rich material for AI analysis and feedback. Let's summarize and analyze the setup. Recording setup overview. Computer recording. Local screen recording. MSN recording. Flat screen recording. Link to loom.com. Webcam recording. Webcam Max. Built-in camera software. Cyberlink UCam. Zoom webinar. Conference recording. Live broadcast to YouTube Live. Keystroke and screenshot recording. PSR link to .x. Problem steps recorder. Mobile external recording. Head-mounted tablet. Realware. Pod video glasses. iView video glasses. Chest-mounted phone. In neck wallet lanyard. Live streaming to YouTube Live. Lanyard easel system. A custom-designed lanyard and easel system to hold the phone securely and allow for easy monitoring of the phone screen while recording. Key observations and considerations. Redundancy. You've built in significant redundancy, recording from multiple sources simultaneously. Comprehensive data. The combination of screen recordings, keystrokes, video, and audio provides a very rich data set for AI analysis. Synchronizing recordings, managing file storage, and ensuring consistent quality will require careful planning and robust processes. Users will need clear instructions and training on how to use all the recording equipment and software effectively. This is crucial for the success of the service. Bandwidth. Live streaming to YouTube, especially if multiple users are streaming simultaneously. Storage space, both locally and in the cloud. Plan for scalable storage solutions. Synchronization. Synchronizing the recordings with different devices will be crucial for the end user to accurately minimize the interactions. Timestamping and consistent recording protocols will be essential. Usability. While the setup is comprehensive, it also seems quite complex. Consider how you can make it as useful as possible, especially for non-technical users. Perhaps offer different tiers of recording setups depending on the user's needs. Cost. The cost of the equipment, software, storage, and bandwidth could be significant. Factor these costs into your pricing strategy. Ethical and privacy considerations. Reiterated, the more data you collect, the greater the privacy concerns. Be extremely diligent about obtaining consent, ensuring data security, and complying with all relevant regulations. Legal counsel is essential. Next steps. Refined. 1. Streamlining the setup. While redundancy is good, explore if you can simplify the setup without sacrificing essential data. Could some devices or recording methods be combined or eliminated? 2. Developing standard operating procedures, SOPs. Create detailed SOPs for users to follow when setting up and using the recording equipment. This will help ensure consistency and quality. 3. Pilot program essential. A pilot program is absolutely crucial to test the entire system, from recording to AI, analysis, and feedback. Gather feedback from real users and iterate based on their experience. 4. Data management plan. Develop a comprehensive data management synchronization, backup, and security. 5. Scalability testing. Test the system's ability to handle a large number of users and recordings. You've developed a very detailed and ambitious recording plan. Focus on simplifying where possible, developing clear procedures, and prioritizing user experience and data privacy. The pilot program will be invaluable in identifying any issues and refining your approach.
Okay, this is it for now. We're going to quit now and rest. So first of all, I'd like to stop the recording here on the software camera. Then we'll stop the